The neurochemistry of happiness involves a complex interplay of various neurotransmitters, hormones, and brain regions. While happiness is a subjective experience, research suggests that several neurochemicals play a role in its regulation. Here are some key players. Serotonin. Serotonin is often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter. It helps regulate mood, emotions, and overall well-being. Low serotonin levels have been linked to depression and mood disorders. Medications that increase serotonin levels, such as selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, are commonly used to treat depression and can enhance feelings of happiness. Dopamine. Dopamine is associated with pleasure and reward. It plays a crucial role in motivation, reinforcement, and the experience of pleasure. When we engage in activities that bring us joy or achieve goals, dopamine is released, creating a sense of happiness and satisfaction. However, dysregulation of dopamine can also contribute to addiction and other psychiatric conditions. Endorphins. Endorphins are natural opioids produced by the body that act as painkillers and mood enhancers. They are released during activities like exercise, laughter, and pleasurable experiences, providing a sense of euphoria and happiness. Oxytocin. Oxytocin is often referred to as the love hormone or cuddle hormone. It plays a role in social bonding, trust, and empathy. Oxytocin levels increase during positive social interactions, such as hugging, touching, or bonding with loved ones, contributing to feelings of happiness and contentment. GABA. Gamma-aminobutyric acid. GABA is an inhibitory neurotransmitter that helps regulate anxiety and stress. It promotes relaxation and a sense of calmness, which can indirectly contribute to happiness. Glutamate. Glutamate is the primary excitatory neurotransmitter in the brain and is involved in many cognitive functions. Its balance with other neurotransmitters is important for overall mental well-being and happiness. It's important to note that the neurochemistry of happiness is highly complex, and these neurotransmitters interact with each other in various brain regions. Additionally, individual differences, life experiences, and environmental factors also influence one's subjective experience of happiness.